Good evening, guys. I'm going to share with you what I've done with my hair the past few days. And first, I started with going to Sally's and buying some supplies. The first thing I used on my hair was this Salon Care 20 Volume Cream Developer. And I don't have the package anymore, but I used the blue prism lights to do the bleaching, which gets rid of the orange in your hair, but it definitely still leaves it yellow. So I used a toner, the T18 I believe, and it still didn't get rid of all the yellow I wanted on the roots. So I went and got this. Where is it? Using my iPad. Wella Permanent Gel Color in Frosty Ash, which has no gold tones at all because I hate those. I hate red and gold tones. So I always get the cool colors, which are indicated by either a blue or purple line across the number sequence. And again, all this came from Sally's. So yesterday I put this color on top of my bleached hair, and it came out really pretty. And I'll show you a picture in just a second. The thing is that even though the hair looks good, the roots were still yellowish, because they had already grown out about a 1/4 inch and were light brown. So what I've done today, let's see. Go ahead and you could try to bleach your roots out some more like I am and put some color to make them go away. Your hair will start growing pretty fast. I notice that my hair grows really fast after I do a chemical process, faster than normal. You could also take things like biotin or prenatal vitamins, or even use a Man-Tail shampoo or conditioner. I know there's mixed reviews on that, but it does make your hair grow faster. And if you've used the, what do you call it, a Poogie 2-step protein treatment, like I mentioned in my last video, this one, you'll be fine because your hair gets back to like brand new right after you use it. So you don't have any chemical damage anymore. So this product here, this keratin oil, is really good too. Sometimes I rub it, like put a dime size in my hair and rub it. It adds shine and gets the frizz away. It's wonderful. This product here, also good. Protein Recharge. Good for flyaways, and also it brings back, it's a leave-on conditioner, so you can leave it on all day. And I think there's one other, let's see. There's the Man-Tail. Let's see. This one This shampoo is great. Smells really nice too. This one is good. Aveda Cherry Almond. And then these two, I'll get them back. Joico Purple Shampoo. If you leave it on too long though, I know there's videos that you can use these as a toner. And I've put the shampoo in a bucket and painted it on my hair before. And it turned my hair purple. I had purple streaks. It was Easter weekend, so I just went with it. Kind of cool. But if you wash it out with some regular shampoo, Clarify shampoo, dandruff shampoo, the last two work the fastest, but it'll eventually wash out. So the best thing is if your hair is like pretty much toned already, just to wash it normally. And if you think 3 to 4 minutes leaving it on is too long, leave it on even less, because your hair will tint to purple.
Just kidding, it was a Snapchat filter.
There's some other brands that aren't as harsh, but I bought that from the salon and it works big time. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how you guys like to wash your hair, but I wash mine every day. My salon told me not to. I bought this orange mango dry shampoo. It's still full. I really don't. I don't know. And I don't know what you guys use for like flat ironing and stuff, but this seems to work pretty good. And hopefully the stuff that I have shared with you today will help you have beautiful hair, and I will have an update with my end results of whether I'm not happy with it or if I'm going to have to go back to Sally's and get a darker color, because I think I bought the lightest color they had besides white. Lightest blonde color they had, that is. And then do more of a sandy blonde or something on the roots to cover them up. But I'll let you know. Thanks.